Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mak Faiz Hikmah bin Muhammad Zuki. I come from Polytechnic Kota Baru. Today I would like to compare between watch and wall clock. Okay, wall clock. Both function to tell us about time. They can tell us about hours, minute, and second. Okay. This watch is from digital. Okay, digital. And this wall clock from an analog tools. Okay, this is an analog tools. Okay, this watch attached to rubber strap. Okay, this is a rubber strap, and this wall clock is just a bit round. Okay, bit round. The size the watch is smaller than wall clock, so it's easier to bring the watch anywhere we go. Yeah. Besides that, the watch also trendy. Wearing a watch can determine our style and characteristic with various depending on the watch worn by us. Last but not least, the price between this. Okay, the price between this. The watch more expensive than wall clock. Okay. Despite that, more people choose watch as they benefit us more than the wall clocks. Okay, thank you.